Hi there, in today's video there are beautiful teachers nail art designs. Teachers nail are one of the most beautiful nail art designs and teachers should try out these nail art designs. If you are a teacher and want to look classic and modern, then you can try out these nail art designs. If you are a teacher or want to celebrate Teachers Day, and then this video will surely help you for Teachers Day and any occasion. For teachers, you can create chalkboard nails, pencil nails, apple accent nails also. For apple accents, apples are often associated with teachers. Paint your one or two nails with a red base and then a little green leaves and brown stems. You can also try bookshelves, alphabet nail, ruler nails, or world map nails. Bookshelf nails are very different nail art technique, and you can try some art supplies. If you are an art teacher, then paint each nail to resemble different art supplies like paint brushes, palettes, and crayons. You can also try music notes if you're a music teacher, atoms and molecules for a science teacher as well. And if you want to create some subtle nail art design as well as some glossy nail art design, then you can try starry sky nails. For graduation capes, black or dark blue base with a little scare on top and a tassel hanging off. Perfect for math teacher is a calculator buttons. You know, math is all about calculations, and you can try these beautiful calculator nail art designs. Whatever design you choose, it's a fun way to express your passion for teaching and engage with your students in a unique way. If you want to see any tutorial, then tell me in the comment section. See you soon. Thank you guys.